we are introduce highlight features or overview summary of TYUNGZM industrial sewing machine. Consists of the following features. Excellent sewing. The sewing needle can be moved up and down by turning the hand wheel. And the clearly marked gauge chucks from 1 to 5 and the reverse stitch switch enable you to easily adjust the gauge and the sewing direction to ensure an excellent sewing effect. Thoughtful design. It is equipped with a manual presser foot spanner for easy clamping of spools of thread and a DP5. 14 needle for sewing canvas up to 4 mm thick and a zigzag width of 0 to 0.354 inches to meet your sewing needs. DIY your clothes. This sewing machine with accessory kit is mainly used for garment factories or home sewing enthusiasts to sew garments. Great features and simple modes of operation make it ideal for sewing enthusiasts to sew clothes and even DIY their favorite styles. Stylish appearance. The white color and classic design make the machine not only adaptable to many styles of room decoration but also look professional and fashionable. The size of 15.7 x 7.1 x 11.4 inch will not take up too much space, you can put it in any corner of the room. Assembly in a breeze. We are equipped with all the accessories needed and a detailed English and Chinese operation manual for installation, so you can do the installation yourself and enjoy the fun of installation. The surface of this portable sewing machine is smooth and flat, so you just need to wipe it with a wet rag. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.